Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana and today I'm going to share a very good tip for you guys that you love to enjoy the sugar in your recipes but you don't like to use the white sugar. Actually, I have one of the best replacements of the white sugar which totally look like a white sugar and exactly taste the same, and you use the same amount as you use the white sugar, but it's plant-based and it's amazing. It's not harmful like white sugar, and almost it has nothing in it. It's a long time that I'm using the same thing for my recipes, and I wanted to share with you because it's really great and amazing, especially those recipes that calls for white sugar. For sure you can still replace this one, even icing sugar. You can use this for almost anything in your cakes, recipes, food, syrups, desserts, everything that calls for white sugar. And what I'm going to introduce you is a plant-based sweetener which is called Xylitol. Xylitol exactly look like white sugar, and no difference between this and white sugar, but it's really much better and amazing. What I do is that if I need in a recipe that I need to use icing sugar, I simply put the xylitol inside my grinder and I turn it to icing sugar. As you can see, this is the same xylitol which is turned to icing sugar, and it's amazing. I've been working with this for the recipe that calls for icing sugar and turns out great. If I want to show you the consistency of this icing sugar, it's totally like icing sugar, no difference. When you use this one in your different recipes and cakes, nobody will find out that this is not sugar. It's that similar to this white sugar. So I'm going to show you a cookie that I make using the icing sugar with xylitol and see how easy it is working with this one. And if you really like to have one of these for yourself and to introduce it into your lifestyle, I will leave the link in the description box of the video. If you want, you can go to the link of your country and you can order one for yourself and enjoy the benefits. You will never know the difference of this one and white sugar. I know so many people, they used to the taste of the white sugar, and if they even put the brown sugar instead of white sugar or anything else, the taste would be changed and they don't like it. But fortunately it doesn't apply to xylitol, and if you mix this one with your recipes or anything, it exactly tastes like white sugar. So what's better than that? So let's go into my kitchen and I show you a very simple and amazing cookie. We do not use any flour, oil or butter for making this recipe, and instead of sugar we are using the xylitol. And let me show you how amazing this cookie is, and you can also do it for yourself. As you can see, it's exactly like white sugar, same consistency, same color, same taste, same shape, but it's plant-based and it's very healthy option. To make the cookie, add the almond flour in your mixing bowl. I have left the ingredients at the description box of this video. Add the xylitol, which we turned it to icing sugar, and give it a mix. Then add cardamom powder and nutmeg powder. Also add the rose petals and give it another mix. Beat an egg white lightly so that it's a bit runny. Then add it to the mixing bowl. Finally, add the rose water and start mixing it until it turns to a soft dough. You can do this with your hand as well. Once you have a dough, take an amount equal to a tablespoon of the dough and start creating small balls. Roll the balls into the coconut powder, or you can use pistachio powder or any powder you like, and place it over the parchment paper and press it lightly with your hand. Bake it into the preheated oven of 170 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes or until the edges turn a bit golden. Once it's out of the oven, do not touch it until they are completely cold. Enjoy this amazing healthy cookie with your tea and coffee or as a snack without any guilt.